So this is how to play Watermelon Sugar. So the first chord is a D minor. So these chords, so the notes are D, F, A. The second chord is an A minor, but we play the first inversion to stay between these two octaves. So it's C, E, A. This is an A minor. The next chord is a C major. C, E, G. And the last chord is a G major. So it's B, A, B, G, sorry, and G. Okay, if we play together all the chords, it's D, A, C, G. And on the left hand, what you can do between these two octaves, if you get a 25 key keyboard, you can simply add the root note of each chord, meaning that with the first chord, the D, you will play D on the left hand, like that. So it's built up a sound which is a bit richer, so it's more pleasant. Then the next chord is an A. Okay, then the C, and then a G. Again. The thing is that if you play just one note, you may have noticed that when you go up from the D to the A, this note is a bit hidden with the note you play on the right hand. You don't see, you can't hear it very well. Sorry. So what you could do is to add another note from the chord. So for instance, the E here. So here you don't hear a lot this A here. Here it's stronger. Okay. So, and you can do that for all the chords. So let's start with a D. You can play D and the A. So it's a bit richer as well. So this one. So from D you go to A. So you don't move the thumb on the left hand and you play the E. Okay, it's a bit better. Then on the C you can add, for instance, the G. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a bit, it's richer, it's larger, so it will envelop your voice better. Okay, so this is the C major, and the last one, the G major, it's this one, and we can add the D. So it's a bit, again, more bass note than this one. You can't hear so much. This one, you add a bit of bass, so it's more pleasing. So then you can just play that and sing along, because all the song is just those 5 chords. So again, with 2 notes on the bass on the left hand. Okay, the D. Then we switch to the A. Then we go to the C. And finally the G. And you just have to repeat that over and over for the whole song. I hope it's useful, and if you like this video, if you want more, just like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comment if you want more videos like that.